Fisher Barton's ASI Turning Center of Excellence provides superior CNC machining services. Our automated 56,000 square foot facility is well equipped to provide 4- and 5-axis CNC machining, as well as horizontal and vertical milling and turning. Our vertical turning and round machining capabilities can handle parts 2 to 50 inches in length with an outside diameter of 12 inches to 6.5 feet or 0.75 inches to 26 inches. With our multi-axis CNC lathes and mills, we provide various features on workpieces to meet the specific demands of your application. Our heavy-duty turning centers allow us to accurately handle large components, ensuring high performance and durability. We can efficiently make precision cuts on large workpieces with our fully automatic CNC saw. Close tolerance machining on large scale as well as intricate parts. These close tolerance machining processes guarantee that each finished component adheres to your strict dimensional requirements. Our quality lab is equipped with the Zeiss CMMs and optical comparators to ensure your parts meet extremely tight tolerances. We are ISO 9001, 2015, and ITAR certified. Our resources, advanced equipment, and vast knowledge allow us to tackle even the most difficult challenges and deliver longer-lasting products. Contact us today.